Guided tours in Jingdezhen ceramic factories. Jingdezhen ceramic factory tour. A ceramic factory tour is an excellent way to witness and immerse yourself in the Jingdezhen pottery industry. Self-guided tours are not available as some sites are privately owned factories. Please join our guided pottery tours group, led by trained guides, who will show you the intricacies of Jingdezhen pottery making, from clay to finished product. You'll learn about unique manufacturing processes and meet some of our talented craftsmen. Our factory tour also offers insights into the history of Chinese ceramic industrial development. Most factories are located in the ceramic industrial zone. Our tour guides accompany visitors to 2 associated factories, providing comprehensive information on all aspects of the production process, including mold making, slip casting, hand turning, tube lining, hand painting, glazing, kiln firing, and finishing. Time. Tours run from Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., lasting approximately 8 hours. While there is no seating along the way, the route is wheelchair-friendly, and wheelchairs can be reserved in advance. The tour includes visual displays, such as films, written interpretation, audio, and viewing the factory in operation. The factory tour is closed during Chinese public holidays. Please notify us in advance if you require a carer. Shopping. Shopping is optional. Everyone in our group will receive a 10% discount at our ceramic factory shop on the day of the tour. Itinerary. This is a one-day tour. We will meet you at your hotel or apartment and drive to one modern production factory in the morning and another ancient handmade workshop in the afternoon. Upon arrival, you will first take a tour of the factory and then visit the factory gift shop. The driver will then take you to the second factory, an ancient handmade workshop. All tours are conducted indoors, so they are not weather dependent. Once inside the factory, the guide will allow visitors ample time to explore at their own pace, but visitors cannot leave the group in the live production space of the factory. Please note that some areas of the factory may not be suitable for those with special mobility needs. If this applies to you, please ask our staff for more information. After the tour, we will return you to your hotel or any other location in the downtown area. Transportation. Our minivan will transport the group directly to the factory. Our transportation vehicles are regularly sanitized. Food and drinks. The tour price includes drinks and fast food, but does not cover souvenirs. How to book. Group bookings are available with a maximum of 10 people per tour. Unfortunately, due to safety regulations, children under the age of 10 are not allowed. The factories do not accept individual bookings directly. Tickets and prices. Our custom group tours are open to those who have purchased membership. To secure your spot, you need to purchase a membership online for $90 annually. Your payment includes admission tickets, private tour guide service, hotel pickup and drop-off, and transportation by air-conditioned minivan. Your membership is valid for 12 months. Change and refund policies. Cancellations must be made at least 24 hours in advance to receive a refund. Cancellations made with less than 24 hours notice will not be refunded, and no-shows will not be refunded either. Partial cancellations of this booking are not permitted. In rare instances where the factory tour cannot be conducted safely, such as extreme temperatures during the summer season, strikes, unplanned maintenance, or illness, we reserve the right to cancel tours without notice. In such cases, the purchaser will receive a full refund. Here is a review of one participant, Susan Peters.
I thoroughly enjoyed the entire factory tour, witnessing the artists at work, observing the pottery throwers, and seeing the clay spinning wheels in action. The tour also provided an opportunity to purchase pottery at the factory store. I highly recommend this fun and educational activity to anyone.
Join us on our ceramic factory tour for a behind-the-scenes experience, where we reveal how Jingdezhen porcelain is designed, created, and crafted. Feel free to inquire and follow us. You can find more booking information at the link below. Let us help you plan your Jingdezhen ceramic journey now.